Today we're installing a carbon fiber intercooler cover from Carbonex Auto to dress up the M3 engine bay. Now the process for that seems straightforward, as it's double-sided tape that sticks the covers onto the intercooler, but there's a specific way that Carbonex details in their instructions on how to get the best fit, so we're going to follow that process. And the first step is to clean the intercooler to make sure that the covers have a clean surface to stick. So let's do that now. Okay, so I just have a little bit of diluted rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel, so we're just going to spray this down and just clean up the surface a little bit. You want to make sure that you get all of the front panel surface here, because the covers will cover pretty much the entire area. Okay, so these are the parts that we're installing, and for the top cover, you want to make sure that the pull arrow is facing towards the front of the car, and for the front cover that the pull arrows are facing straight up. So we're going to take the top cover, put this on, and it should sit flush to the back of the intercooler, and take the front piece, line that up, and you want to bring the two parts together so that the tabs, the left and right tabs, meet, and to make sure that there are no gaps. Now during the process, you want to make sure to keep constant and even pressure on these front two parts where they meet, and again, make sure that there's no gaps. So hold pressure there the whole time as we very slowly move the tape backing to the front. And once we get to about the halfway point, take a little time out and just apply some light pressure to the back to make sure that the top cover is bonding to the intercooler. Apply a little pressure to the top, get the tape sticking. All right, now we'll continue to pull the rest of the tape, still applying constant and even pressure at this corner. Okay, so now that the top tape was pulled off, we'll just apply some pressure to the front, make sure that it gets a good bond to the intercooler. Okay, so now we can pick a side, doesn't matter which one, and then gently pull up on the tape backing, still keep pressure at this corner. Okay, so apply a little pressure to this side, and make sure the tape is sticking. Now we'll do the other side. And we'll apply some pressure over here. All right, so now just remove these two little pieces where the front pull arrows were sticking to the front cover. Now we're going to wipe down the covers with your favorite detailing spray to get any prints off. Okay, so that is the installation process. You know, Carbonex puts a lot of attention to detail in the installation guides for their products, so like I said, following that will make sure that you get the best fit. Now, as for the product itself, I think that the carbon fiber pattern is a perfect match for the other things that we have going on in here. You know, there's the engine cover, the Eventuri intakes, and even the factory strut brace. So I think this all flows really well. I also did install the engraved set in the Yas Marina that has a Fresnel stock engine bay. So I think it looks fantastic either way. I will leave a link to the product in the description below. Carbonex is really quick about getting these out, so thank you for that, and thank you for watching. Get you in the next one.